Om Shri Sai Ram. Factors of the form x plus a into x plus b. In that we have solved many problems. Now another example, the example 11, obtain the factors of z squared minus 4z, z squared minus 4z minus 2a. What is the question? Obtain the factors of z square minus 4z minus 2a. Obtain the factors or factorize z squared minus 4z minus 2a. Both are same. Now obtain the factors of z squared minus 4z minus 2a. How to factorize this problem? In this, can we use the identity a squared minus 2ab plus b squared equal to a plus b whole squared, or a minus b whole squared equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared? No. Why? Because what is the square root of z square? Square root of z squared is z. Okay. What is the square root of 2lu? No, we can't get the square root of 2lu. So we cannot use the identity a minus b whole squared. So what is the method? How to factorize this? By pq and p plus q method. Which method we have to use? Pq and p plus q method. What is p and what is q? We already solved many problems related to this. Now tell me, what is pq in this? Pq equal to the third term. Which number? That is minus 2lu. So minus 2lu. After that, what is p plus q? P plus q is second term. This is the first term, second term, third term or number which is pq minus 2lu. Then second term, in that which one is the number? Minus 4. Be careful, it is minus 4. What is the meaning pq equal to minus 2lu and p plus q equal to minus 4? When we multiply p and q, we get minus 2lu. When we add p and q, then we get minus 4. So what is p, what is q? What is the product we want to get? That is minus 2lu. How we get minus 2lu? 4 3s are 2lu. Yeah, 4 3s are 2lu. But what is the problem? 4 3s are 2lu means 4 3s are 2lu. It's okay. But 4 plus 3, it becomes 7. 4 minus 3, it becomes 1. Can we get minus 4 or 4? No. So this is not the required numbers. 4 3s are 2lu, but 4 and 3 is subtracted or added, then we can't get the number minus 4. The sum, it is not minus 4. So which numbers you have to multiply or add? That is 6 2s are. 6 2s are 2lu. 6 minus 2, it is 4. Okay. Now 6 into 2, 2lu. What is the product? pq equal to minus 2lu. So minus 2lu, how we get minus 2lu? What is the condition for getting product as minus? If two numbers which is multiplied, then it get minus sign means both the numbers have unlike signs, that have different sign. Different sign means one has plus and another one is minus. Plus into minus becomes minus, or minus into plus, then only product becomes minus. So one number must be contain plus, another number it must be minus. Yeah, which number which contains plus and which number contains minus sign? Look at the sum. It is minus 4. To get minus 4, the largest number must be get minus sign and smallest number which get plus sign. Now multiply 6 into 2 pq, 6 into 2 minus 6 into 2, 6 into 2 2lu, minus into plus minus. Then minus 6 into minus 6 plus 2, 6 minus, here plus 2. So it is minus 4. So required number is minus 6 and plus 2. Now substitute this. First write the first term as it is, z squared. Now instead of the second term, you have to write minus 6, and which variable is given? Z. So 6z. Then which one is the another number? It is a plus 2 and variable is z, 2z minus 2lu. Now group this. This is the first group and this one is the second group. Find the HCF of this group. 6z and minus 6z. HCF means the What is HCF? It's a common term in the given group. Which one is a common term? Z squared and Z. The least power is Z. So, least power is 1. So, Z has the least power 1 and Z has the power 2. So, which one is the least? So, Z is the least. So, Z into. So, Z only the common term. It is a HCF. Now, Z squared by Z. What do we get? Only Z minus 6Z divided by Z. Z cancel. Only get minus 6. Then 2Z and minus 2Lu. Which one is the common factor? Which one is the HCF? Here 2, here is a 2Lu. Which number which divides both 2 and 2Lu? That is 2. So, take outside 2Z by 2, 2 cancel, we get only Z minus 2Lu by 2, 2 6s are 2Lu. So, Z minus 6. Just compare Z minus 6 and Z minus 6. This is the first term and this is the second term. Which one is common now? Z minus 6 is common. Why is common? Z minus 6, Z minus 6. Then, if you divide Z into Z minus 6, Z minus 6 means Z minus 6 cancelled. Only Z. Then here it is plus. Z minus 6 divided by Z minus 6, it is cancelled. Then we get only 2. Or simple is, first write Z minus 6 is a common, then write the rest of the Z plus 2. Then we get the answer. Z minus 6 and Z plus 2. So, which is the common factors? It is in the form x plus a into x plus b. Z minus 6 into Z plus 2 is the factorization of Z squared minus 4Z minus 2Lu. Next example is, find the factors of 3m squared plus 9m plus 6. Find the factors of, it is factorize. Find the factors or factorize 3m squared plus 9m plus 6. Before that, 3m squared plus 9m plus 6 is the given algebraic expression. In that, 3m squared, 9m plus 6, which one is the common factor? Here 3, 9, 6. 3, 9, 6, it is divided by the number 3. So, HCF is 3. So, take 3 as outside. Then 3m squared divided by 3 means 3 cancel, we get only m squared. Then plus 9m divided by 3, 9 by 3, 3's are 9 and m plus 6 by 3 means 3 2's are 6. Now, first step of factorization, it is now factorized, but m squared plus 3m plus 2, it must be factorized again. Why? M squared plus 3m plus 2, it is in the form, we can factorize this by PQ and P plus Q method. How it is? What is PQ and what is P plus Q? Now, what is P? What is Q? What is PQ? Plus 2. When we multiply P and Q, we get plus 2. Then we add P and Q, we get plus 3. Now tell me, what is P, what is Q? When we multiply this P and Q, we get the product as plus 2. Then same number, it is added together, the sum must be plus 3. Which one is the required numbers of P and Q? Yes, tell me. 2 1s are 2, correct? 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. If we add these, 2 plus 1, it is 3. So, required number is 2 and 1. Now, substitute. First, write the first term as it is, m squared. After that, plus. Second, P, the value of P is 2. So, 2 means here is the variable is m. So, 2m plus 1, 1m or m. 1m or m, both are same. Plus the third term is 2. Now, this is the first group, this is the second group. Which one is common term in this? M squared 2m, m is common. So, we get m plus 2m by m, we get 2 plus 1 is the common term, be careful, 1m plus 2, 1 is the common term. So, we get 1m by 1 means m, then 2 by 1 means 2, m plus 2. Now, write the common, m plus 2 is common, m plus 2, m plus 2. So, then m, then plus 1, m plus 2 into m plus 1. Now, 3 into m squared. Okay, so 3 m squared plus 3m plus 2. What is now 3 into m squared plus 3m plus 2? After the factorization of m squared plus 3m plus 2, we get m plus 2 into m plus 1. This is the answer. So, 3 into m plus 2 into m plus 1 is the answer. This is the factorization of 3m squared plus 9m plus 6. Next concept is division of algebraic expressions. In that, division of a monomial by another monomial. Divide 6x cube divided by 2x. How to divide this? The division is 6x cube divided by 2x. Write this one as 6x cube divided by 2x. Or we can write this one as 6x cube. 6 into, what is x cube? X cube means x is multiplied thrice. So, it is x into x into x. So, what is 6x cube? 6 into x is multiplied thrice. So, x into x into x. Then it is divided by 2 into x, or we can simply write it as 2 into x. Now, 2 ones are 2 threes are. Then x ones are x ones are. Then what is the answer? Here it is 3 x into x. So, 3 x into x. X is multiplied twice. So, it is x squared. 3x squared is the answer, or 3x squared by 1. What is the meaning? 3x squared by 1 means it is 3x squared. So, what is the division of 6x cube by 2x? It is 3x squared. Another problem is given in the textbook. Minus 20 x to the power 4 divided by 10x squared. 10x squared. Write this one as minus 20 x to the power 4 divided by 10x squared, or we can write it as minus 20 into x to the power 4. X to the power 4 means x multiplied 4 times, x into x into x. Then it is divided by 10 into x squared. X squared means x is multiplied twice. So, x into x. Be careful, here it is a minus, here it is a plus. When division, it becomes minus. The quotient becomes minus. So, minus. 10 ones are 10 twos are. So, 2. X ones are x ones are x. Then we get x into x is x squared. So, minus 2x squared. Okay, next problem. 7x squared y squared z squared divided by 14xyz. 7x squared y squared z squared, it is divided by 14xyz, or 7 into x squared means x into x, then y squared means y into y, then z squared means z into z. It is divided by 14xyz. We can write 14 as 7 into 2, or directly write 14. So, 14 into x into y into z. Now, 7 ones are 7 twos are, x ones are x, y ones are y, z ones are z. So, x cancel, y cancel, z cancel. What is the answer? X, y, z, that is x into y into z means x, y, z. X into y into z. So, x, y, z. It is divided by 2, only 2. So, x, y, z by 2, or we can write it as 1 by 2 x, y, z. So, half x, y, z is the answer. Divide 24xy square z cube by 6yz square. 24xy squared z cube, it is divided by 6yz square, or 24 into x. So, it is x into y squared means y into y into z cube means z into z into z. Z is multiplied thrice. It is divided by 6yz square. 6 into y into z square means z into z. Now 6 ones are 6 fours are. Y ones are y ones are. Z cancel. Z cancel. So we get the quotient as 4, then x, then y, then z. So 4xyz is the quotient of 24xy squared z cube by 6yz squared. Another problem is given. 63 a squared b to the power 4 c6 divided by 7a squared b squared c cube. So 63 a squared b to the power 4 c to the power 6, it is divided by 7 a squared b squared c cube. 7 ones are 7 nines are. Now a squared is cancelled to a squared. In the denominator it is b squared. In the numerator it is b to the power 4. So b squared, the left one is b squared. So c cube, and here it is c to the power 6. So it is c to the power 3. Then what is the answer? 9 b squared c to the power 3. So 9 b squared c cube is the answer. Or we can solve it like this. 63 into a to the power 2 means a into a, then b to the power 4 means b into b into b into b into c to the power 6 means c into 6 times. It is divided by 7 a into a, b square means b into b, c to the power 3 means c into c multiplied thrice. So 7 ones are 7 nines are, a cancel, then b and b cancel, it is cancel. Now c 3, 1 2 3 cancel. What is the answer? The answer is same, that is 9 b into b, that is b squared. C is multiplied thrice, so it is c cube, 9 b squared c cube. Open your textbook, page number 77. In that exercise 6.2 is given. First main, factorize the following expression. In that 8 problems, it is homework. Then second main, factorize. In that 8 problems, it is also homework. Then third main is also given, factorize the expressions. It is also homework. Then fourth main and fifth main, these are homework. Sai Ram.